Welcome to my channel. So today we are going to discuss about the first statement in C language. So for is also entry controlled looping statement. So entry controlled looping statement is nothing but so before entering into the body of the loop, first the condition is tested. So if it is true, then only so the program controller will be entering into the body of the loop. Otherwise it will not be entering into the body of the loop. So that's why it is called as an entry controlled looping statement. So observe here, so how the first statement will be executed internally within the C program. So in first statement, for initialization part will be executed. So it is a single time operation. So the initial value will be initialized so into the condition variable value. So next second point, so that assigned value will be tested against the given condition. So if the condition is true, so then the program controller will enter into the body of the loop. So then the statements will be executed like this manner: statement 1, statement 2, statement 3, up to number of statements. So after executing the last statement within the body of the loop, so then the program controller will be transferred back to the increment or decrement or updation of the condition variable value. So after updating the condition variable value, so then the program controller will test the condition variable value against the condition. So if it is true, again the body of the loop will be executed. So after executing the body of the loop, again the condition variable value will be incremented or decremented or updated. So after updating, again the condition is tested. So if it is true, again the body of the loop will be executed. So this process continues as long as the condition is true. So when the test condition is failed, so automatically exit from the for loop statement and executes the remaining statements which are available in first statement. So observe this process in flowchart, like so observe here. So in this flowchart, the flow of first statement within a C language. So in for loop, first initialization part will be executed. So after executing initialization part, so then the condition is tested. So if it is true, statements will be executed. So after executing the statements, so the increment or decrement part will be executed. So after the condition is tested, so if it is true, again the statements will be executed. So again the update the condition variable value. So again the condition is tested. If it is true, again this statement will be executed. So this process continues as long as the condition is true. So when the condition is failed, so it will exit from the for loop statement and executes the remaining statements which are available after the for loop statement. So let us observe implementation of a for loop statement in C language. So here I am going to type one small program regarding printing of 1 to 10 numbers. So I am typing here program into main. I am declaring I variable. So I am displaying one small message like so printing 1 to 10 numbers. So for I equal to initializing as a 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. So within the body of the loop, so I am printing the I value, %d slash n comma I. Return 0. Control S. I am compiling this program. Hash include. So hash include is a spelling mistake is there. F9, F10. So successfully executed and output will be returned here by this program. So observe here program. I was declared I as a variable. I am printing small message like printing 1 to 10 numbers. So this is the implementation of for loop statement in C language. So here I am initializing 1 into I control variable. So I less than or equal to 10. So this loop will be repeated up to 10. I value will be reached up to 10. So next after executing the body of the loop, so next I value will be incremented by 1, and then against the condition the I value will be tested. So next if the condition is true, so the I value will be printed. So first I value 1 will be printed, next 2 will be printed, 3 will be printed, up to 10 the value will be printed. I value is also becoming as a 11. So after 11 this condition will becomes a false and it will exit from the for loop statement. That is, program controller will exit from the for loop statement and ends the execution of the statement. Okay, thank you. This is regarding for loop implementation in C language.